Introducing the Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, the latest modular marvel redefining smartphone innovation. Sporting a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, this device ensures vibrant visuals even under direct sunlight. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro chipset and 8 GB RAM, the CMF Phone 2 Pro delivers seamless performance. Choose between 128 GB or 256 GB of storage, expandable via microSD. Capture every moment with a triple rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The 16-megapixel front camera ensures crisp selfies. Stay powered with a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 33-watt wired charging and 5-watt reverse wired charging. Available in white, black, orange, and light green, the CMF Phone 2 Pro lets you express your style. And good news for Indian customers, the CMF Phone 2 Pro comes with a charger included in the box. Ready to experience innovation? Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.